So in the first video, we talked about how sentences that start with a O go right into a noun or subject phrase. So O tangata whaingaluenga is workers. So O's introduce a noun, but a lot of sentences start with words like this, ua. Ua is a tense marker. So ua, and then right after a tense comes an action. Tense markers tell us if an action is in the past, the present, or the future. Tense, then the action, and then the subject of the action. Ua fa'atuseina le malo o le langi has been compared the kingdom or the government of the sky. Otherwise, the government or kingdom of the sky has been compared, and then the rest of the sentence. So it really helps to get to know your tense markers. Past tense, na and sa. Present tense, e, te, olo'o, ua. And then future tense is ole'a. There's some other variations as well, but get to know those. So once you're able to recognize the tense markers, you're gonna know that the action comes right after, and then after the action is gonna come the subject of the action, the doer of the action. So that's another quick tip to reading the Tusi Pa'ia. The next video, we're gonna talk about these phrases that start with those words right there, prepositions. A lot of the Bible follows this format, so it makes it easier to read. Tense, action, subject.